Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a site to an existing project. Now if you've already added projects to your account, simply navigate to a project. If you haven't added a project, you'll need to do that already, and from here you can add a site by clicking the Add Site button. You can also add projects from the settings screen, but if you just want to add a single site, click the Add Site button. And then from here you can click the Add Site button again, and then you can add in a website here. And you can also add in the XML sitemap URL if you want to. Click the Save Settings. This will take you back and you'll see that the site has been added here. That's how to add a site through the Add Site button, but you can also manage the sites from within the project screen. So if you go to the location of the project, click the settings icon for the project, and then in here you can do the same process again just by clicking Add a Site, adding the site details, and clicking the Save tab. So that's how to add a project within our SEO tool suite. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.